Tell me on a personal level, the level of catharsis you had from making this short film.
Catharsis?
Yeah, or like, or release. Was it? Did you feel like it was like therapeutic at all?
It's the producer Christine that suffers from misophonia.
Yeah.
So this short was a really wonderful experience because we shot in a real life anechoic chamber, which is one of the world's quietest rooms, and that kind of amplifies the themes. Because if you stay long enough inside an anechoic chamber, you can start hearing the insides of your own bodies, and so
Oh my
really
God.
fits with the horror thriller elements of what we were trying to do with White Noise. So that was really exciting, and it was really exciting to work with such a wonderful crew. Everyone in every position was absolutely wonderful and amazing, and together we made a really great piece.